why I renamed this channel. Hello everyone, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum. Many of you know this channel as Dr. Abdul Samad Editorials. Today, I am excited to announce a new chapter. This channel is now officially renamed as Dr. Samad Global @ Dr. Samad Global. Why this change? Over the time, our discussions have expanded beyond education. We now explore financial literacy, science and technology, horticulture, geopolitics, global affairs, and strategic motivation. The word global reflects our broader vision. This is not just a name change, it is a vision expansion. Our mission remains the same, to provide knowledge that empowers minds. Thank you for being part of this journey. Welcome to Dr. Samad Global @ Dr. Samad Global.